Hello viewers, welcome to this video. Today we shall do lesson 6 of Hornbill, that is the Browning version. Its main characters are Taplow, Mr. Frank, Mr. Croker Harris, Mrs. Millie Croker Harris. First one is Taplow. He is a 16-year-old boy and presents his views about his teacher, Mr. Croker Harris, in a very frank and straightforward manner. He is respectful towards his teacher and likes him, although being much afraid of him. Mr. Frank. He is a young science teacher and shows better understanding of student behavior. He envies Mr. Croker Harris and thus likes him being criticized by Taplow. Mr. Croker Harris. He is very strict teacher. He follows rules. Unlike other teachers, he has a strong hold over his students. He hates flattery and does not want people to like him. Next is Mrs. Millie Croker Harris. She is the young wife of Mr. Croker Harris. She is a thin woman in her late 30s. She is very kind-hearted towards the student. Now, its word meanings. Gather here means understand. Criterion means standard. Slackers means weak students. Muck means rubbish. Cut. Here it means go away without permission. Shrivel him up means reduce his feelings. Cape means a shawl. Infinitely means very much. Relieved means pleased. Frantically means in a hurried way. It made up means the medicine prepared. Got carried away. Here it means got excited and lost control. Now its summary. Mr. Frank converses with Taplow. The scene of the play is set in a school. The play opens with a 16-year-old boy, Taplow, who has been detained by his teacher to compensate for his one day's absence. He is waiting for his teacher, Mr. Croker Harris, who has not yet arrived. Another teacher, Mr. Frank, finds Taplow waiting in the room and starts talking with him. Taplow introduces himself and informs him that he is a student in the lower 5th grade. He feels that he would specialize next term if he got promoted. He also tells Mr. Frank that Mr. Croker Harris does not tell the students their results beforehand like the other teachers. Mr. Frank is surprised. He admits that the headmaster announces the results on the last day, but that's no criterion. Taplow says that it is only Mr. Croker Harris who abides by this rule of not telling the students about their results before they are officially announced. Mr. Frank asks Taplow whether he would pursue science if he gets a favorable result. Taplow is elated by the thought. Mr. Frank laments sadly that he gets all the poor students. But Taplow says that he is extremely interested in science. Moreover, he would not have to read useless plays like what he was reading about. Mr. Frank is a bit astonished at the thoughts of Taplow, thinking that he has gone too far. Taplow corrects himself, saying that the plot is good, but the way it is taught is terrible.